Are you a tradie in need of heavy-duty tools and a value pack kit? Look no further than the AEG Fusion 4-piece heavy-duty 5-amp force kit, the ultimate in performance and reliability. Let's check it out. The AEG 18V Fusion hammer drill is built to tackle hardwoods, metals, concrete and masonry with ease. With an impressive 141 Nm of torque, this powerhouse delivers the performance you need to get through rough-ins, large hole saws and masonry anchors. Safety is paramount, which is why we've added an anti-kickback feature. The LED will flash in quick succession when the anti-kickback is engaged. The Fusion hammer drill has a 2-speed all-metal gearbox, 24-stage clutch settings and a 13mm all-metal chuck. The 18V Fusion 4-mode impact driver is engineered to tackle large fasteners and long screws. With 260 Nm of torque, this impact driver is a force to be reckoned with, making it perfect for tech screws and batten screws. Activate tech mode, which starts fast then slows to help drive self-tapping screws into metal. Switch to speed 3 for heavy-duty fasteners like batten and coach screws. With its compact size of just 128mm, it's great to manoeuvre into tight spaces. AEG's 18V Fusion 184mm circular saw with a 65mm depth of cut is perfect for LVL and rip cuts. And with a die-cast aluminium base, it keeps the saw nice and light for added precision. The saw is also fitted with an anti-jam fin, which has been designed to provide a smoother retraction of the aluminium guard to help prevent jams. The 18V Fusion 125mm angle grinder is loaded with safety features, including an electronic disc brake, anti-kickback protection, and a deadman paddle switch. It also comes fitted with a tool-free locking nut for spanner-free disc changes. Power and runtime go hand in hand. That's why we've included two 18V 5-amp force batteries in this kit. Force batteries sync with AEG Fusion tools to provide increased power and extended runtimes. And when it's time to charge them, the 18V 4-amp charger has got you covered. It's compatible with any lithium-ion battery from the AEG 18V range. To top it off, all AEG tools and batteries come with great trade warranties to give you that extra peace of mind. Grab the 18V Fusion 4-piece heavy-duty 5-amp force kit. It's great value.